Hello everybody, my name is Robbie Weidman and this is my project walkthrough for for CodePath's WEB-102 intermediate web development for spring 2026. This is project 3 again. This is advanced flashcards. I just took upon my project 2 build of regular flashcards and added the features to them. So we can start off with some of the requirements. You can see we got type your answer here. That's a clearly labeled input box. Got a submit gas button. I also made it, and I'll show you in a second, that you can hit enter instead of clicking submit to work. The submit button allows the user to check an answer, of course. Correct and incorrect feedback. When a guest is submitted, the application checks the answer and provides a visual feedback indicating whether the guess is correct or incorrect. So if I write the word toast, because I know that has nothing to do with a red giant, even though it would toast stuff, and I hit enter, not quite flip the card over. Now you flip the card over, like, oh, okay. So let's one feature I did add is, so if you say you're going good and you're just trying to get through everything 100%, and you get this first one wrong or any of them wrong at one point, instead of going all the way over here and trying to pinpoint that, I got a big red reset button. It will even warn you to reset the entire streak deck and streak counters. Yes. Okay. Another feature I added is if you click there, well, one, it gives you that no clicky symbol, but it will tell you enter the guess in the input box and click submit guess before flipping the card. Let's keep on going through here. So we got the correct, so we know a red giant, I know it's part of the end of the life cycle, right, with a regular star. So correct, nice job. And when you flip the card after getting something correct, it will highlight the words you got correct. Now the way I do matching is, I don't know if, yes, it does partial matching, but if you wanted to say life cycle, right, but you got cycle spelt wrong, it will tell you it's wrong. However, if you got part of it right, your answer is correct. It just doesn't highlight it because it ignores punctuation. So, and then you can just go to the next one. Boom, you get a new one, and it's all randomized. And when you shuffle deck, it randomizes it some more. But other than that, you can go through sequential. And then navigation links, we got our, we can go previous, right? It remembers, uses the states and stuff like that. The next button is disabled when the user reaches the last card. Let's get over there because there are a bunch of cards here. Boom. Can't go anywhere, right? Huh. Kind of like a black hole. You're not going to go anywhere. Navigation limits. That's what we're on right now. Sorry. Previous button is disabled. Next button is disabled. Oh, previous button is disabled on the first card. Well, let's just reset the deck instead of going all the way back through that, right? Boom. Previous button is disabled. Additional features, got the fuzzy matching. We talked about that already. It ignores capitalization, punctuation, spacing differences. As long as those letters are in the right sequence, it's going to tell you got part of it right. Guess required before card flip. Yep, we already did that with the warning there. Showed you the answer highlighting. Shuffle deck feature. The reset deck feature, because I don't know about you guys, if I'm studying and I'm using an app like this, like when I went for my amateur radio license almost 20 years ago, but when I was doing my online studying and I'd get halfway through and I got a couple wrongs, I want to hit this to 100% straight through. They had a reset option. It was obviously an older website, but still. We do our streak right here. We saw some of that just now where we'll trace the streaks. Keyboard submission. This is my favorite. When you type an answer, right, you can hit enter. Oh man, that's so nice. I don't know why a lot of websites do it, but some of them don't. It's really annoying. At least for me, it is. And when you click next, it will automatically focus your cursor for you, so you can just start typing and hit enter or whatever you want to do. We got a responsive layout. Let's talk about that. We're going to hit F12 here. And we're going to go to cell view. And as you can see, everything still works. Here you can submit a guess. Oh no, you didn't do it. Let's go to the next one. I wonder if I can submit a guess. Oh yeah, I guess you could submit a guess still, even though it's nothing that's incorrect. But reset deck still works. You still get the thing up there. But yeah, it's designed for anybody to use, as long as they took the same class I did, or at least are reading out of Astronomy 2E through OpenStax. So yeah, I appreciate your time and watching. Sorry that this video was a little bit longer than usual, but I wanted to show off some of the fancy things. I'll talk to you later.